hoping to get out of this today?
I'm just hoping to get my teeth in line so that I could have like a perfect smile. So when I talk to the public, I feel a little more confident.
Yeah.
That's basically it, because I talk to a lot of kids and stuff.
How about eating? Are you looking forward to eating some real food?
Yeah, I haven't eaten real food in a couple of weeks. I had a bad experience. Yeah, not good.
Well, I'm excited, so we'll be back in a few hours and show your new smile.
Thank you. Nice? Yeah. Once you like it, I love it. Damn!
You look good. Looking good. Yes, sir.
Y'all, you took on a business meeting now.